It's time for some sneak peeks at what we've got in the August Gootzie box. This month's theme is Queen Bee, and I've got with me the EC and the B6 version of the kit for just the stickers. Let's jump in and take a look at what prettiness there is this month. We always have the date dots for those that don't like to write them in. This month's foiled element. With gold foil on that Queen Bee sticker there. I have a love-hate. I love the way foil looks, but I do not like making it. I'm willing to bet most people who do foiling will tell you about the same thing. Okay, so we've got some deco with some different bees and some crowns. The deco's the same for both B6 and EC. And we got page 1 here. Let me zoom you in a bit. And that has your date headers, some glittery page flags, and of course an over-the-top weekend banner, as always. That's your page 1. Page 2 is your washi strips. I love this one. So it's kind of got a retro looking large washi, then this kind of honeycomb over newsprint medium, and then the chunky gold glitter for your small washi, and then your canceled things. Page 3 has your 2 extra sets of single box washies, your to-dos, and all that. I don't know why I'm tilting it like there's some foil on here. There's no foil on there. So you got all that, and then all your scripting words. A couple appointment stickers and some small checklists. Page 4 is all about the box love. So you got 4 columns. In these, you got that honeycomb, and then the bees, and a little ornate bees, and then this kind of blue, yellow, flowery situation. And page 5 is all your full box checklists. And that first one is kind of that an ornate bee look. There you go. Now zoom in. That ornate bee look. We've got some glitter and more of the honeycomb. I really like that honeycomb kind of newsprint underneath it. It's very vintage feeling. I think this whole kit has a kind of vintage vibe to it. Not a cartoony bee vibe, but more of a vintage, like 1920s, 1930s vibe to your extra washi strips are a row of queen bees. So that's the EC situation. Now let's dig into B6. As I said, this part is the same regardless of which size kit you get. But on the B6 kit, you get 2 sheets of vellum, and this month is this ornate queen bee in a frame over newsprint. That's very pretty. And the honeycomb over print. So I think these are both very pretty. So those are the 2 vellums that you get in the B6 size. And here is the B6 kit. Same weekend banner there. and then 2 strips of this honeycomb washi that you can use however you like. And that vintagey blue flower. Let me see if you can get a better look at that. So it's blue flowers in all the check boxes, and another queen bee here that's not foiled. And all of your scripts, and a couple full boxes and a couple quarter boxes there, and some icons. And then page 2 being all of the boxes. This one is a very versatile page. So you got half boxes here at the bottom. You've got some event stickers down here. Another row of squared off boxes here. Hydration trackers. And then you get the clipboards, the full lined flagged boxes, and some full page. I'm sorry, not full page, full box, half boxes. So that is the B6 kit. And so if you were to order just the stickers, you'd either get one of those 2 options. I do have some additional formats coming very soon. In fact, there's a whole lot of reformatting happening right now at the Gootzie project, so stay tuned. I will have some new releases on all of that. So just the stickers, that's what we got there. Now, if you buy the full box, we've got extras. So it always comes with 2 planner items. And this month, those 2 planner items are a honeycomb paper clip and a bee charm. I like this one. Look at, she's such a cutie right there. These come from Rhonda's Planner Accessories. She actually is no longer doing felties. She has a new shop. Fox Family Farm is the name of the new shop. But Rhonda has agreed. She's been the provider of all my felties for all the different boxes that I've had them in. And as needed, she has agreed to continue providing them for me. So if you like her felties and you like my boxes, this is about the only place you'll be able to get them going forward in the future. So those are the 2 in this box. So you get a set of die cuts too. I think a lot of people have a love-hate relationship with die cuts. Those that use them know what they like and know how to use them. And those that don't get them and they look at them and think they're pretty, but then don't know what to do with them. So let's see. First of all, we've got a big queen bee. Second, we've got a section of honeycomb. And we've got the ornate frame with the queen bee. And then a sexy hexie there with the worker bee. That's the set of die cuts that come with the box. And the next thing it always comes with is a little something for you. This month is a lightly scented bar of soap that has honey oatmeal. So kind of going with the theme of bees. It has a very light scent to it. Someone told me that they thought it smelled a little bit like an oatmeal cookie. So that's in this month's box. And then the treat this month is some honey candies. So you'll get a couple honey candies as the little treat for you this month. So that's the full box. They are currently on sale for the month of September for at least, I'm filming this on August 7th, so they're on sale for about another 3 days. If you want the full box for September, just the stickers are open throughout. Just the stickers are open throughout the month and just close at the last day of the month. So those are always available. You can buy subscription for $25 $5-ish a month. Or you can buy a single box if one specific month meets your fancy. But subscription, if you were to get a subscription to the box, you essentially get all the stickers plus all the extras for the same price as a kit within the shop. So you would have, you basically get all the extras for free is what it works out to price-wise. So I think it comes up to a really good value. Let me know what you think. If there's something you'd like to see in a future box, I am open to suggestions. If there's a size you want to see in a box, just let me know and I'll see if there's any way we can add that size to the box. Thanks for tuning in for this little sneak peek about what's coming out in the August Gootzie box. Please check them out over on the website and maybe you'll see something you like. Thanks.